Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 5, part B, Playmate, and we are completing its exercise from workbook. In our previous lecture we have completed a part that were the articles. Today we are going to solve page number 36. Now look at this. This is page number 36 and we are going to solve its part B today. The heading of this part B is opposites. First of all, I will let you know that what opposites are. A person or thing that is totally different from someone or something is called opposite. As you can see in this picture, that here are two exactly totally different pictures looking here. The first one is a fairy, which is very beautiful, and this is very ugly person, a giant you can say, or a wizard that is really not looking good. So the opposite of beautiful is ugly. So students, I will let you know some examples from which you can easily understand that what opposites are. Now look at these. This is old and young. You are going to start here and you are finishing your work. Start and finish. Example of tall and short. This is sick and healthy. There are many things and there are few things. So many and few. It is soft like a pillow and it's hard as stone. Asleep, awake. This is front side and back side. This is big and this is an example of small. This boy is standing and this is sitting. So stand and sit. I think so. Now the topic is quite clear to you. We move towards the next one page and we are going to solve the activity which is given over here, and you have to write down the opposites of different words. Okay students, this is page number 37. Its one part is, can you think of words which are the opposite of these? So here are different words given to you and you have to write down the opposites of these words. Now look at this. 1. A part. Happy. Happy means a person who is pleased. So the opposite of happy will be sad or unhappy. Part B. Poor. Poor means a person who don't have any money, and the opposite will be rich, a person who has a lot of money. C part. Bad. The opposite of bad will be good. D part. Forget, remember. E part. Fast, slow. F part. Lost, and the opposite of lost will be found. G part. Out, in. H. Go, come. I part. Above, below. J. Thick, and the opposite of thick will be thin. You can observe your books that if a book has lot of pages, that will be thick, and if a book is there who has very less pages, that will be thin. K part. Hard. If you are using the hard, which means difficult, so the opposite of hard will be easy. And if hard is used in the meaning of stiff, the opposite of hard will be soft. L part. Tight, loose. Tall, short. N part. Strong, weak. O part, fat, thin. You can compare different people. If a person is very chubby, you can call that person fat person. And if a person is very slim and smart, you can call that person thin. P. Begun, and the opposite of begun will be end. Q part, wide, narrow. R part, clean, dirty. Now look at the second question, and you have first one, write down the opposites of these. Here is the statement that you now write words which have the same meanings. Now you have to write down the same meanings of these words. The first one example is given to you. Big, huge. You can easily identify that if you are talking about this elephant, it is big also, and if you say that it is huge, so these two words have the same meanings. So we have to write down the same meanings of these words. A, difficult, and the same meaning of difficult is hard or tough. B, little, small, tiny. C, noise, noise mean sound. D, shout, shout, yell or scream. Weep, the same meaning of weep is cry. Simple, easy or plain. Crazy, crazy mean mad. H part, shut, shut mean close. For example, a door, you are going to shut the door or you are going to close the door, both are the same. So students, I hope so this part B is quite clear to you. That you have learned here in this topic opposites and the same meanings of different words, and I think so that it's quite clear to you. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.